So sun, salt water, and chlorine are the worst things for your hair. And I have all the solutions inside this bag. So this is shampoo number 3. It does 3 things. It removes medication, minerals, and chlorine. If you're a swimmer, you're gonna use this twice a week. If not, use it once a week. That's gonna get rid of all the impurities that are affecting your hair color during the summer months. So supercharged conditioner is an ideal conditioner to use right after shampoo number 3. When shampoo number 3 removed all the chlorine from your hair, supercharged conditioner is gonna go deep inside your hair shaft to give you an ultra rich conditioner to give you softer, shinier strands all summer long. So Color Protect Locking Spray I love. It's loaded with sunflower extract. You know how sunflowers like turn towards the sun to get all their nutrients? The exact same thing is gonna happen in this color locking spray. You're gonna spray this in your hair and the sunflower extract is gonna act as a sun shield to protect your hair color and your long, luscious locks for the summer. Okay, so no summer kit is complete without Avapui Moisture Mist. Avapui Moisture Mist is the mist from a Maui waterfall. It's gonna quench your thirsty hair and cleanse your skin. It's better than a Budweiser at the beach. Take a cold bottle of this, put it in your beach bag, and you're good all day long. So the last thing you're gonna need is, of course, a hat. If you use a hat, it's gonna be your sun shield all summer long, and you're gonna love your hair. I promise.